Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, back with the next update again. Me see where Colaz go a dolly stand this time. And the man do great work down there with supplies to help the people them. And me only hope when you come out and talk the good way the man do now, because our day when him have to drive way, a whole heap of things I say about him. But me only hope so when you see the good way the man do now, and when you can run out with that now and say, yeah man, him do something, because people always see the negative of what people do, you know, and see one little mistake or one little error where they make, you know, and then use that for beat them and beat them bad too. But me only hope when you come out and talk now and say, yeah, the youth do well, him do good. And it's just funny how people, no matter what good you do, people no normally see it, you know. But you see, for you make a mistake or some misfortune reach you, it then run with that, it then capitalize span. People like negativity more than positivity. And me sure know them now good people, them when they bash him and I run out, you know. Now go run out, you know, and say, well, you know, say the youth turn around and him go do something good after that little mishap right here. So you're not gonna see nobody run out and do that. But see the man go put in work, go back to the drawing board and go deal with the thing and come out him and him team and bless up darling stand. So guess what now? The youth a good youth after all. The youth art is in a good place. But it's just that the thing them with the people them did that do, him have to drive away. But see, him redeem him name. Him redeem himself. He show people say, look here, me they come out for do this, but because a XYZ me couldn't get for deal with them, I deal with proper. So the man come out the right and proper way this time around. I'ma open a seat and she say, yeah, the youth here do what him a do. Pick up yourself, Colaz. You're a good youth. Let's go and do the good same way. Because, brother, one thing me know in this life, if you do good, people are going to talk about you. Bad same way. And if you do bad, then worse are going to talk. You do 99 good and do one bad, them see the one bad over the 99 good way you do. So you have to just be you, be yourself, continue do what you are do. Focus on yourself. Focus on what you have to do for the people them. And not watch the naysayers them. Because if you watch them, you will stop. I'm glad to say you have a good heart and good mind where you not stop because I will only a negative comment. I'm glad you not make them feed upon your energy with them negativity. Just go and do your thing, man, my youth. And go and bless up yourself. Who God bless, no man curse. You understand me? You're blessed and highly favored.